Here is your girl again with another amazing head wrap with my expandable material. So let's learn, guys. Grab this material. This material is lycra material. It's expandable, stretchable material. So you can use any length, like you can use half yards, half trousers, like this. I don't know the measurement of this one I'm using, but I know it's like, let's say like it's very small, like half yard. So you grab it and you divide it into two equal parts with your elastic band. Then you place it right on your head as seen in the video. You know, I will always say it, that is my national anthem. I will always say focus your eyes, it is important. Yes, focus your eyes. This my toku might not really work, but your eyes will not deceive you. Okay, so just focus your eyes. So after putting it on your head, you go knot it at the back, then come back to the front and do exactly what I'm doing, just to give it some turban look. Then you tie again, and you're going to be securing it at the back by tucking it in there, right? So I'm trying to tucking it in there. I can't see my back, so I tuck it in short. After tucking it in, I come back to the front to make some adjustments. But guys, I am done already. If you use the color of your fabric to divide it, or any accessory that goes with your material, no need of any other thing. But as you can see, I'm using yellow rubber band and this is brown material. No, it doesn't go well, so I have to add that to give it that touch and cover the band. So guys, I am done with the head wrap now. What's your take? You know, I will always ask you, what is your take? Do you like it? Do you think it's good enough to rock? Yeah. So if you want to try it, let me know. Let me know in the comment section. Like, comment. Please give me thumbs up, okay? Like, comment, share, and do follow me for more drop tutorials. I'll see you next time.